everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to do a little bit of key signatures practice. Let's do it. Here we go. All right, so the goal is to memorize them all so that as soon as we see the key signature, we know what key we're in without having to think about it, okay? So we're going to practice some today. Get your handy dandy pencil and your eraser just in case we mess up. All right, so we're in the key of blank major. No sharps, no flats. I already know this is C major. There are 0 sharps and 0 flats. Okay, now we're in the key of, let's see, 1 sharp, F sharp. This is always G major. I already know that. It's 1 sharp and it is F sharp. Key of blank major. All right, we know this one too. There's 2 sharps. This is D major. 2 sharps, F sharp, C sharp. All right, now there's 3 sharps. What's this signature, key signature? This is A major. We have 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Notice they're always in the same order, right? Okay, then we have 4 sharps. This one's E major. You know this one too. We look at it a lot. 4 sharps, F sharp, always the same order, C sharp, G sharp, and the last one is D sharp. Okay, next page. Okay, there we go. All right, 5 sharps. All right, we know this one, right? B major. 5 sharps. Okay, the same order, right? We have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. Okay, all right, now maybe we don't know this one. Do we know this one? Remember that rule we taught you? So it's kind of until you have them all memorized, you can think about it. We're going to go to the last sharp, which is E sharp here, and then we're going to go a half step up. So we have E sharp, right, which is really, looks like F, and then half step up. So this is the key of F sharp major. So it looks like we have 6 sharps, and we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and then that last one, E sharp, right? E sharp's a funny one. All right, woo, now we have 7. All right, so if we're gonna figure it out, that's B sharp, and then half a step above that is C sharp. So this is C sharp major. And it basically has all the sharps, right? 7 sharps. So we have, in order, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and then the last one there, B sharp. All right, wow. All right, we're gonna go to flats now. Okay, 1 flat. All right, that one we just have to know. That one is always F major, 1 flat, okay? And it is B flat. We always know 1 flat, B flat is F major. All right, now we have 2 flats. Have we practiced this one? Well, we taught you a trick for this one too, right? We go to the penultimate flat, and that's the key we're in. So the penultimate flat is B flat. So this is the key of B flat major. We have 2 flats, and they are B flat, always first, and then the second one is E flat. All right, let's keep going. All right, if we don't know it, then we can figure it out by going to the penultimate, next to last, right? So the next to last one is E flat. So we're at E flat major. We have 3 flats, okay? And what are the flats? Always starting with B flat, then we have E flat, then we have A flat. Okay. All right, next we have 4 flats. Okay, so what's the penultimate? Next to last is A flat. All right, 4 flat, or, whoops, silly. These are flats. That's a boo-boo. Okay, and they are B flat, E flat, oops, A flat, and then D flat. Okay, next, now we have 5 flats. So what is the penultimate or the next to last flat? Looks like D, right? So D flat. D flat major. We have 5. It said sharps again. They meant flats. And they are B flat, E flat. Are we seeing a pattern here? A flat, D flat, and then finally our new one there, G flat. All right, and we can see the penultimate one is D flat. Okay, now we have 6 flats. Okay, what is our next to last one? It's G flat, right? So we're in G flat major, and there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flats, and they are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and then our last one now is C flat. Oh, C flat's a funny one too. Okay, then we have all the flats, 7 of them. All right, so what is the penultimate? The next to last is C flat. So this is C flat major, and we have 7 flats. Wow. And what are all of our 7 flats in order? B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and we're only missing one now, F flat. All right, we did it. Good job, everyone. So today, we practiced recognizing our key signatures. So you're going to keep working on that so you can memorize them and know them right away just by looking at them. And remember, keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything, including your key signatures. Prestissima out.